We ordered solar lights. These are the Lucy string lights, and then we also have the inflatable solar light. We're gonna give these a try, and if you're interested in them, we also have a link down in the description below.
The instructions aren't very clear. It twists and pops open, and they unravel. There we go. And then we come at 18 feet. They're wound in there. There we go. Oh. They got little clips along the way. Every, what seems like 3 feet or so. And come across. Be gentle when you're doing this. There we go. There we go. And then you pinch it off at the desired length, and this little thing. String lengths. So it's got a power button which turns on the flashlight. It also then click it again, will turn on the multi-colors. Ooh, this looks like they change? Yeah. Ooh, they change color. Then you can click, we got white, we have purple, we have blue, we have green, we have pinkish red, and rainbow.
Oh, you rotating?
I'll get it into here. No.
All right, so first we're gonna lower down the awning so that we can hang up the lights. We'll check back later to see what they look like in the dark.
The inflatable is not easy to blow up. And this one hasn't been out of the package, so I doubt there's any power. Oh, a little bit. You can see it in there, but it does appear it's going to look much better at night. You can hang it. Oh, it gets brighter with different clicks. We got dim, medium, bright, and flashing for the epileptic in your life. When you're all done, deflates into a nice convenient carry package. I'm going to try to blow this one up again because I think I had a issue here, but let's try this. No, my mouth just doesn't fit on this one. Ta-da! Stay tuned for nighttime viewing.
Okay, so what's it look like with the regular light?
Well, I got 3 settings. And blinky blinky. And then we have, I'm assuming that's battery power. You click this and how much life there is.
Okay. I like the inside, the bottom. You
This ready to
cannot
blow it
at
up?
all see it. No. Oh, there you can. There you go. Got it.
And we just have it sitting over here by the fire.
Nice. Change colors. They're not changing colors right now. Oh, there they go. Look at that. Pretty cool for solar lights, right? Sunset.
Oh, nice. Hi.
And we just have it sitting over here by the fire.
Nice light.
Oh,
Oh.
Because it doesn't have a light.